ride today. Hudson. Alright, we'll fix it later. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. First bike ride of Alaska. Going on the Bird to Gird Trailway. So we're gonna see what it's all about. Yeah. What's up, buddy? Got my partner in crime behind me. Where are we going? We're going on a bike ride, buddy. Hudson's favorite word over the last few weeks is the famous, where are we going? Wow, look at that. Look at that pretty stream going into the ocean, flowing into the ocean. Pretty cool. All right. Snow-covered mountains. It's July 2nd. That's crazy. Train tracks, Hudson. Wow. Feel a big temperature difference. Penelope, any inspiration for America? Say Daddy fussed at me this morning for not trying my hardest. I'm mad. I'm still mad because I didn't try my hardest. So what do you got to say this morning, Joshua? What are you doing this morning? Oh yeah. What does that mean? We're all blindsided. Alaska, right? The final frontier. You never know where you're going to end up. You just got to go. You just got to get after it. You got to put your polo shirt on, your green socks, your Nikes, lace them up, and roll out. Right? What would you say? What would be your motto for the day? Just get after it. Boom. Penelope, what would be your motto for the day? Huh? I don't know. What would be Mom's motto for the day?
Press the brakes.
Press the brakes. Let's get up to our pack leader. Oh, geez, she's trying to beat me now. Hey, yo, pack leader. Jeez, dude, I can't shift gears. I'm holding the GoPro in the other hand. What would be your motto for the day? Huh? What would be your motto, Gigi? Stay on track. Follow me, Team Gaspard. Tunnel. We're going through a tunnel. All right, Hudson, do your wolf sound. Oh! Do your wolf sound, Hudson. Oh, waterfall. Oh, bump. Hudson, what's going on, man? What are we doing this morning? What are you doing?
Josh, that's good, that's good.
Hudson, what are you doing? Hudson, what are you doing this morning? Hudson, what have you seen this morning? What's up, Mother Goose?
I don't even know what that means.
Me neither.